All right, thanks, Claire. Well, turning now to tonight's forecast, we've been tracking some showers to start the work week.
Yeah, it's been kind of an active day. Chief Meteorologist Scott Colbert's tracking these things out on our back porch where it's a little warmish tonight.
But it feels a little bit better. The reason why I am literally tracking them, I can look off towards my northeast. I can see those showers, towering cumulus clouds in northern Carroll County. You can see some back off towards the west here. Good view here on the back porch for a little storm spot. And let's take a live look at radar and we'll spot where those showers are. You'll find, though, the activity has really fizzled out over the last half hour. In fact, the window for additional development this evening is quickly closing. Reason why? These showers and thunderstorms are fueled by the sun. And when that sun starts to drop in the western sky, they're going to lose their energy source and will be quiet into the evening hours. Here's what we find out there right now. First in northwest Arkansas. So here's the back porch here in Johnson. I was looking at this fella right here just to the north of Eureka Springs. That's moving towards the north, so it's going to be crossing over into Missouri here shortly. A couple of spotty sprinkles out there remain. Those are few and far between. This cell in Witcherville, so they're between Mansfield and Greenwood along 71. That has almost entirely fizzled out. Again, that window's closing. Wouldn't entirely rule it out. We can look at the future cast for an idea of what's going to be happening, and you'll notice by 8 o'clock tonight, yeah, we're probably going to be in fine shape. Those clouds are gradually going to continue to break overnight tonight, waking up to a little bit of sunshine come tomorrow morning, a pretty quiet overnight period while you're asleep. But then as early as 1 o'clock tomorrow, these little guys start to bubble up yet again. Chance tomorrow is the same as it was today, about 30% odd. So a lot of us probably do end up staying dry. Although if you get caught out off guard without the umbrella out there tomorrow, you're probably going to end up regretting it. Yet again, those start to fizzle out around 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening as the sun sets. And then you know what? We're going to do it all over again on Wednesday. A true summer-like pattern, feeling a lot like summer. But that pattern begins to change. The big weather story here is the change coming Thursday, Friday, and even to some extent into the weekend there as well. Rain chances are going to be on the increase, and over the next 7 days, our rainfall projections take us anywhere between about a ½ inch upwards of an inch. To be clear, not everyone gets an inch of rain over the next week. Many of us will probably fall closer to that ½ inch mark. It's not a lot stretched out over 7 days, but I think it's enough that it'll probably settle the dust for many of us. As rain chances go up, we get a little bit more cloud cover, and our temperatures are going to start to come back down closer to normal. Still technically above average, no question about that. But going into the weekend, northwest Arkansas, middle 80s in the afternoon, mid to upper 80s in the River Valley. Feeling a little bit better out there. Tomorrow morning, you're waking up in the mid to upper 60s, northwest Arkansas, mid to upper 60s as well in the River Valley. A pretty comfortable start to your day, but it is one of those days, just like today, it warms up pretty quickly. 7-day forecast, it looks busy. You can see several chances of some scattered showers and thunderstorms around the area. Here's the thing. Yeah, there's chances every day, but that doesn't mean at your place in your backyard it's going to get rained on every single day. Chances are low enough, with the exception of Thursday and Friday, that we're dodging these scattered showers, and that will be the case going into the weekend as well. It's going to feel good. Wish I could tell you it was totally dry, but I can't tell you that in full honesty. I think there will be a few scattered showers around the area. The River Valley, this is what we're tracking for you. Low 90s through at least Thursday, and then we're just barely out of those 90s. But with time, we're certainly going to be cooling ourselves down into the upper 80s this weekend. And next week, Monday, a week from now, guess what that is?
Fall.
That is the fall equinox, the first day of fall. And you know what? Mother Nature appears to be literally right on time, hitting the nail on the head. Sometimes she shows up fashionably late. We all remember those falls that feel blazing hot. Doesn't look to be the case, at least as of this point.
We'll see if she keeps it up after that.
I sure hope so.
All right, Scott, thanks.
Yep.